The following is a demonstration of REED's Guillotine Pipe Cutter. The robust guillotine pipe cutters from REED create accurate cuts. The durable, non-stick coated blade makes cuts with no chips to clog valves or small openings. The slight taper in the blade allows an easy start and holds form for a clean, straight cut. Guillotine cutters come in 3 different models: HPC 4 for 2-inch to 4-inch pipe, HPC 8 Plus for 3-inch to 8-inch pipe, and HPC 12 for 4-inch to 12-inch pipe. Before any cutting begins, place a mark on the pipe to help with the exact placement of the tool. Grab the tool and start by lifting the upper yoke blade and assembly to the top position by turning the handle counterclockwise until it is fully retracted. Now, remove the blade guard and open the lower yoke by depressing the latch on the side. Use caution, as an exposed blade may cause serious injury. Place the tool onto the pipe, centering over the line to be cut. Then, close the lower yoke. For a clean, straight cut, it is recommended that the pipe is centered in the lower yoke assembly and the tool is perpendicular to the center line of the pipe. Pull the cutter up to engage the saddle and tighten the handle to push the blade into the pipe. Now, turn the handle clockwise until the blade completely cuts through the pipe. Once cutting is complete, carefully clean off the blade with a soft cloth and soap. Replace the blade guard and close the blade down so it is fully seated into the base of the cutter. Please note that the guillotine cutter does not need to be placed on the end of a pipe. It can also cut pipe in harder to reach areas as long as the tool can be easily centered. Also, REED strongly recommends using our static grounding device with guillotine cutters for precaution against static buildup. Please note these special instructions when using the HPC 12 model. HPC 12 uses a hinge pin to secure the bottom yoke assembly. Therefore, it must be removed in order to open the lower yoke. Once the tool is placed onto the pipe, this pin must be replaced to secure the tool. It is also recommended using 2 people with the HPC 12 to turn the handle. This will make the cutting process quicker and easier. This concludes the demonstration of REED's Guillotine Cutter. For more information on this product or any of REED's other quality pipe tools, visit www.reedmfgco.com.